Well, good afternoon. As a province and as a country, we're grappling with a new reality. And it's becoming more and more clear that COVID-19 will be with us for a while. It's why we remain vigilant. It's why we continue to adapt. We continue to plan for the long game. And today, we're taking an important step forward. We're implementing an early warning system with clear criteria to help inform when restrictions should be tightened or loosened on a regional basis. We're giving you a clear understanding of where you are as a region, because I know that you want access to more data. I know you want predictability. Today, we're releasing our province's COVID-19 response framework. This framework was developed in consultation with the Chief Medical Officer of Health, the Public Health Measures Table, local medical officers of health, and other health system experts. This planning framework provides structure. It will help inform decisions on a regional and province-wide public health measures based on the data we're seeing. The framework will also provide more certainty to businesses, families, and workers. It will help us introduce preventative measures early to slow the spread, early interventions that will help us avoid more restrictive measures like the shutdowns and lockdowns we're now seeing in more and more countries around the world. It takes a gradual approach to public health measures, cautiously escalating or reducing restrictions as we see changes in the local data. We will stay on top of the trends to determine where regions stand. And thanks to the revised framework, we can start to transition regions away from modified Stage 2 restrictions, which were always intended as short-term measures. Based on current trends and the advice of the Chief Medical Officer of Health, we're prepared as of Saturday, November the 7th at 12:01 a.m. to move Ottawa, Peel, and York region to restrict level. This means gyms and indoor dining will be open with the capacity limits and restricted hours. Mayor Tory has asked us for a little more time in Toronto, and as always, I will support him. At Mayor Tory and Dr. Davila's request, Toronto will move to the restrict level a week later on November the 14th. Eastern Ontario will also be moved into restrict level to address concerning trends. Brant, Durham, Halton, and Hamilton will be moved into the protect level as we add preventative measures to slow the spread of COVID-19 and keep these regions from needing more restrictions. All other regions will adopt the prevent level. Our health experts are still reviewing the data and will confirm the alert level for each region on Friday. We're going to continue to provide regular updates each week. And thanks to Minister Bethenfalvy, we have a brand new dashboard on COVID-19 website to provide that important information. This brand new dashboard, it's great news. It will allow you to see exactly where the trends are going. You will have the access to the exact same public health data and information as I do. And I want you to see what I see. This information will be updated daily. It will give you a direct line of sight into hospital beds, ICU capacity, test positivity rates in your region, because it's critical that everyone has the access to this information so you can take the necessary steps to protect yourself, your family, and your community. By taking these steps today, we'll be in a stronger position to handle the second wave and the future ones. Together, we can keep COVID-19 at bay and fight to get back a little more of our normal lives. And right now, that's worth everything. Thank you, and God bless the people of Ontario.